Hello, this is my roommate's dog, Sammy.
Cutest dog ever.
That is Annie. Sammy, the weight of the world is on your dog's shoulders. It is time for you to predict the Super Bowl winner. See, she's excited. Oh, it's biased by her owner. Nice. Okay, so here we have two mice. We're going to pretend they're cats, okay? Here is a white and green mouse to represent Green Bay, and the the Steelers with the pink mouse. Okay, Sammy, are you ready? Predict?
Let me grab the pen.
Are you ready? She's not ready. Okay, Sammy.
Hey, Heinlein. Heinlein.
Yes, Heinlein. That doesn't sound weird at all, does it?
Okay.
Okay, Sammy, are you ready? It's time to predict the Super Bowl winner. Pick a mouse, even though you're a dog.
Okay. 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 Oh, no.
Oh, she picked the Packers. That was really odd.
I mean.
Yeah. Somehow I don't feel that this was scientific. Good job, Sammy.